The problem with that whole occurrence to do with people not being able to measure the one-way speed of light is a reflection on the stupendous blindness of the so-called scientific-minded people out there. If they stopped denying basic truths about reality, they could come to these answers as simple as a fish learns to swim through water. So am I going to blow your mind with scientific-looking charts and graphs, or long-winded explanations that ultimately go nowhere? No, it's simple. Get a high-speed camera with audio miles away at a point where you know lightning commonly occurs, or simply at a place where you would generate man-made lightning bolts, as shown in one of the videos I will link in the description. Then you compare the sound, as we know the one-way speed of sound, with the recorded light flashing as seen by the camera, and bam, you've got the one-way speed of light. Assuming that the distance is 1 mile for simplicity's sake, though a longer distance would be ideal so that the camera's frame and audio recording rate wouldn't have to be so high, the sound will take about 4.69361148 seconds to reach the camera. And if light travels the normal rate in both directions, which it should, it will take about 0.000000538 seconds to reach the camera. Therefore, we can verify that the one-way speed of light is the expected speed if the sound is recorded roughly 4.6936061 seconds after the light is recorded. And subsequently or simultaneously, we can test this at several angles. Note, the loud sound of the lightning parting the sky happens at the exact same moment that the light is sent forth, which is why this experiment works. But actually, it's simpler. There is an old video, link in description, by the slow-mo guys, which shows them measuring the one-way speed of light by taking pictures of light moving from side to side. Yes, it is one way, because although the light is moving towards the camera, and that's what's being detected, the light that they're showing is moving perpendicular to the camera. It's been done. There's no fancy math equations. It's simple. I think I figured this out even before finishing watching the video by the channel Veritasium, but I just didn't get around to producing a video on it until now.